Hi, I'm Jesse Jan D. Teves Jr., Operations Manager of Wealthness Realty Corporation.
Hi, I'm Glenn Avellino, Sales Director at Wealthness Realty Corporation.
Hi, I'm Kevin Yan Guevara, Sales Manager and Listing Officer of Wealthness Realty Corporation.
Hi, I'm Mark Avellino, Sales Manager at Wealthness Realty Corporation.
Hello, I'm Kent Malinaw, Sales Manager at Wealthness Realty Corporation.
Hi, I'm Ron Christian Manarang, Sales Manager at Wealthness Realty Corporation.
Hi, I'm Agnes Tamesa, Sales Manager at Wealthness Realty Corporation.
Hi, I'm Brian Barrio po. I'm a Sales Manager at Wealthness Realty Corporation.
Hi, this is Ryan Garcia, Senior Marketing and Leasing Officer at Wealthness Realty Corporation.
Hi, I'm Arl Dakigan, Listing Officer of Wealthness Realty Corporation.
Hi, I'm Jason Coniconde, Listing Officer of Wealthness Realty Corporation.
Wealthness Realty Corporation is the company who helped me build my interest, my confidence back to selling, to assisting and helping clients own a home.
Wealthness Realty Corporation is a platform that helps us turn our dreams to reality.
Wealthness Realty Corporation is one of the top brokerage firm here in Las Piñas. So siya yung nag-handle ng mga projects in primary market and secondary market.
Wealthness Realty Corporation, mako-consider ko siya as our family. Kasi hindi kami mabubuo ng ganito kung hindi dahil kay Wealthness Realty.
It is a company that helps build future real estate leaders. It helps its employees to reach their dreams.
Wealthness Realty Corporation, siya yung tumutulong sa mga kliyente na makahanap ng isang lugar na matatawag nilang tahanan.
Wealthness Realty Corporation for me is an organization or a company po that helps people find their dream homes.
Wealthness Realty Corporation is a real estate brokerage company, service provider that focuses on providing home buyers.
Wealthness Realty Corporation is helping and provide to the family who wants to invest their future homes.
Wealthness is isang company na tumutulong sa mga kliyente na gusto mag-invest or makabili ng kanilang pinapangarap na bahay.
I've always loved real estate and helping people find the right home. I enjoy the challenges of selling properties and helping buyers find the right place to live.
The thing I like the most about working in real estate is the unlimited income potential and the flexible working hours.
Flexibility ng time and also you get to know more people.
Yung flexibility sa time. Kasi we can be flexible na i-manage yung time namin with our family tsaka sa pag-work dito kay Wealthness.
For me, flexibility of the work schedule, generosity of our bosses.
Para sa akin, it helps me to be equipped more and as much as more learning na may apply ko sa field, especially when it comes to tripping and facing other people.
What I like the most being with real estate is that I was able to help someone.
The opportunity it gives. Kasi 'di ba, unlike yung pag nasa corporate ka, sila magde-decide kung anong makukuha mong income.
Sa real estate kasi, gustong-gusto ko dito depende sa akin kung magkano yung gusto kong kitain sa isang araw, sa isang linggo, sa isang buwan. Kasi dito kasi unlimited income talaga.
Working real estate, yung flexible time and yung income na malaki.
Siyempre, hawak mo yung oras mo, nakakapag-tripping ka kung saan, nakakapag-explore, meet ng mga iba't ibang clients.
The best part of my job is the opportunity to constantly learn and grow. I'm exposed to new challenges regularly, which helps me develop both professionally and personally. Not to mention the earnings.
The favorite part about my job is helping other people achieve their dream homes and provide them with the best deals or options available for their needs.
Perks of travel. And syempre, habang may perks of traveling ka, kumikita ka at the same time. And you also meet new people,
unlimited income. Kasi dito, makokontrol mo yung income mo, depende sa sipag mo. So, nakaka-exciting dyan since kung gagalingan mo sa trabaho mo, nakaka-excite yung dami ng income na papasok sa'yo.
My favorite part would be helping people to have their dream house and witnessing or starting their family, building their homes.
Aside from commission and incentives, I think kapag na-meet ko yung ibang clients, syempre, their stories, their preferences, their profession. So when it comes to probing, nalaman natin yung salary nila. So, nakaka-inspire.
Closing of sale. Iba lang yung nabibigay niyang saya every time you close a sale. And then what excites me most, siguro yung fruit of my labor, which is the commission release.
Ang pinaka-paborito ko about this job is the flexibility ng time. Well, for me, it works kasi may pamilya na ako. So, I would rather spend a whole lot of my time kasama sila.
Pinakagusto ko dito sa trabaho sa real estate is yung gigising ako araw-araw, titignan ko yung cellphone ko, then makikita ko yung mga inquiry. So, na-excite ako kung anong mga property o project na pwede kang i-offer na magugustuhan ni client and also yung pasok sa allotted budget nila.
Once na nagkaroon ako ng commission, then na-pull ko na yung mga na-clear kong mga sales.
Nakapag-close ako ng isang deal na tapos, syempre cash buyer, gano'n. Pinaka-excite kasi syempre yung full com siya eh.
That would be the emotional burnout, disappointments. It's like from having some to having none to gaining it all back again.
One of the major challenges we've faced working in real estate is when we sell out our focus project and finding new project to focus on.
Well, major challenge ko talaga before is syempre yung unang-una funds. Kasi mag-start ka talaga sa wala eh. So, yung step 1 yung pinakamahirap. Pero once ma-conquer mo yung step 1 na yun, yung challenges mo financially, syempre sa family, ganyan, emotionally, yung stress, after that naman, very rewarding yung trabaho natin.
Siguro para sa akin, yung major challenge dito is yung after sales mo sa mga clients. Kasi hindi naman natin masasabing perfect lahat ng nagiging clients natin. Meron tayong clients na medyo sobrang hirap ng mga accounts, which is, syempre, hindi natin pwedeng pabayaan yung after sales natin. Kaya gagawin natin lahat para maasikaso yung account nila. Kasi hindi naman tayo dito sa para benta lang. Kailangan meron tayong after sales sa kanila para at the end of the day, kung may re-refer sila, positive feedback pa rin pagdating sa atin.
Probably would be the lead generations, adjusting to the market, transitioning from the pandemic and to the normal.
I think in handling people. Kasi it takes guts and it takes courage and patience in handling them. Not just in, sabihin natin, di lang sa work matters, kasi you have to know them, you have to recognize them as well. Kaya, swerte namin kasi maganda yung foundation dito, lalo na yung pinapakita ng mga bosses namin.
So, I've been in real estate for 10 years. Ang pinaka-challenge lang talaga would be generating leads. Although 10 years na ako, meron naman akong mga times na nakakakuha ako ng leads na marami, minsan konti. Pero as per the job, it requires talaga lead generation. As much as possible, sobrang dami. Para sobrang dami mo rin ang makaklose mo monthly or yearly.
Siguro, hindi lang sa akin, siguro sa lahat yung nagdaang pandemic na talagang yung mga kliyente natin is nawalan ng trabaho, nagsara yung mga business. Yun yung mga talagang hindi natin makakalimutang challenge na nangyari sa akin.
Challenges sa akin nung 5 years is nung pandemic. Bali, karamihan sa mga naging benta ko is nag-back out regarding doon sa nawalan mga trabaho yung mga clients ko.
Pinaka-challenge siguro yung pandemic eh. Siyempre, nung na-hire ako, siguro 5 days before, nagkaroon ng pandemic. Siguro ang tagal rin makabenta. Sa tulong din ng aking team leader, siyempre, nakabawi naman, nakapagsunod-sunod ng sale.
I enjoy the collaborative environment in my workplace. Working with talented and supportive colleagues not only boosts productivity, but also make each day enjoyable.
The memorable moments we have at Wellness Realty Corporation is when we're having our general assemblies and Christmas parties, because it's the time where we celebrate our milestones with our company together with the people that we work with.
Mostly sa mga team buildings yan saka sa gatherings natin, party, ganyan. So, yun. Masayang part na pwede nating i-treasure.
Fun moment here at Wellness is yung camaraderie. Since dito, like what I said sa first question mo, we are family. So, kami dito, yung tulungan namin, pakikisama sa bawat isa.
Most of it would suggest would be during our team buildings, road trips, building camaraderie amongst my co-employees.
Sa akin, every time may gathering dito or meeting, it's a memorable moment na for me. Kasi, we learn, we exchange words, we exchange different insights. And kahit sa mga simpleng kwentuhan, may matututunan ka. Aside from your profession.
Ayun nga, so to be honest, bago lang yung team namin sa Wellness. Pero ang nakita ko namang maganda or memorable is that yung pag-welcome ng company sa amin. So, umpisa pa lang, medyo nagkaroon na ng tawag dito, welcoming party.
Araw-araw naman lahat memorable, yung mga pupuntahan namin mga events, Christmas party, and then lalo-lalo na sa mga tripping. Yung mga kasama natin yung kliyente, yung mga nakasama nating agent sa mga PKS, yun talaga yung mga memorable na maaalala natin.
Sa akin, yung pinaka-fun moments ko in Wellness, yung mga nakasama ko, yung mga boss ko, na naging down to earth sila. Bali, sa tagal ko rin sa real estate, wala akong nakita mga boss na yung parang ibinaba nila yung sarili nila regarding sa pagiging ahente tsaka yung pagiging boss.
Pinaka-memorable siguro kapag nag-team building, Christmas event, gathering din sa office. Siyempre, parang pag magkakasama kami lahat, parang isang pamilya lang.
Hi, I'm JP Maglacas, Sales Manager at Wellness Realty Corporation. For me, discipline and consistency. Kasi kapag consistent ka sa ginagawa mo, makukuha mo yung result na gusto. I build relation to my clients by helping them passionately for their concerns and inquiries. To my co-agents, keep on learning and be coachable and invest on your resources. For now, my goal is to help my team and help the people to find their home.
Siguro I can start with helping clients. Hindi, mag-share ako ng isa. Kasi meron akong client before, nagpapasalo siya ng property. So, yung reason niya bakit siya nagpapasalo ng property, kasi namatay yung anak niya. So, nabaon sila sa utang tapos nawalan pa ng work yung husband niya. So, nabaon sila sa utang, sa hospital bills and everything. So, well, siguro blessing in disguise na rin na nakilala ko sila, may naka-reading client for them. Tutulungan natin sila. Napasalo natin yung property, so nakabayad sila ng medical bills nila and everything. So, siguro yun yung mga magagandang achievements ko dito sa real estate. Yun na nakakatulong tayo sa mga tao. And also, natutulungan nila tayo pagdating sa mga commissions, ganyan. Nagbibigay pa nga sila ng extra, tabi mo na to, incentives, ganyan. Pero, mas kailangan kasi nila. Though kailangan din natin, pero yun yung greatest achievement as a salesperson, yung makatulong ka. And also, simula noon, nagkaroon ng mga referrals, ayan. Refer siya ng clients sa rent, sa sale. So, nakakatuwa lang na nagkaroon ng chain reaction yung pagtulong mo sa kapwa. So, you need to pay it forward.
Marami akong pwedeng i-share kasi tulad nung dating sa trabaho ko, wala talaga akong idea sa real estate eh. So, in-invite lang ako ni Boss Pamela So and then Josephine noon. Kinausap ako. Sabi ko, paano ba yung real estate na yan? Parang ang hirap kasi ang tagal kong nagtrabaho doon sa dating company. 16 years yata yun. So, sabi ko, pag tinry ko yan, napakahirap ata. Nung unang try ko, siguro viewing, pumunta ako sa isang condominium. Paano ko i-present to? So, sa mga turo ng mga boss, unang benta ko, siguro naman nag-commission ako ng 100,000. Sabi, totoo ba to 100,000? Sa akin lang ba to? So, nung ano ba tawag dito? Kinumpara ko siya doon sa dating trabaho ko. Dating trabaho ko, 18,000 man. Tapos yun, kikitain mo na sa isang araw. 100,000. Sabi ko, totoo ba to? Parang isang taon ko ng sahod to ah. Tapos nung nagtuloy-tuloy, andun pa rin naman yung hirap kasi 'di ba, bago ka pa lang dito sa real estate, kailangan matutunan mo lahat. Nung unang benta ko, kasi bumili na kagad ako ng motor kasi kailangan ko ng service eh. Napakalaking tulong nung itong real estate na to kasi kumbaga yung mga dating hindi namin kayang bilhin na nabibili na namin ngayon. Nakapagpaayos na rin ng bahay dahil dito sa real estate. Kumbaga sabi ko, kung ano man yung pangangailangan, basta sipagan mo lang dito sa real estate, makukuha at makukuha mo. Basta magtiwala ka sa sarili mo, basta kung may mga gusto kang makamit, pagsipagan mo lang. Real estate is the key.
For me, yung mga achievements ko kay Wellness, yung mga napagtapos ko yung mga anak ko, isa yun sa mga achievements na yun ang gustong-gusto ko na i-provide ko. Then, sa tulong din ni Wellness kasi nandito ako ngayon. Then, sa akin yung naging sa personal ko is yung workmanship. Then, isa yun sa naging improvement ko here in Wellness. Katulong din yung mga kasamahan ko. Sila rin yung mga naging inspiration ko, then naging mentor ko kung ano ko ngayon in 5 years in Wellness.
I started here in real estate last 2021 during pandemic. And in my first 3 months, I was struggling to get my first sale. Then on the 4th month, finally, I got my first sale with the help of Sir Chong, which is my mentor. Kudos to you, sir. And then, nakapag-provide na rin ako sa family ko. Doon na rin nag-start yung pagbabago ng buhay ko. Then on the same year, nabili ko yung first car ko, which is nagagamit ko for mobility. On the second year, I got my second car. And siya na rin yung car ko ngayon. So, kinip ko na siya. And on the third year, I got my new house in Cavite, which is to turn over next year. Yes. And now, I'm promoted as sales manager. My goal now is to help my team to be successful too, and makatulong kami sa mga tao to get their new home.
So, some of my achievements in real estate when I was a seller, syempre I started with nothing. I just listened to my mentor before. So, I became a top seller, and then here kasi sa sales, what's important is consistency. So, if consistent ka, you'll be able to achieve yung result that you want. So, by doing it, I'm able to bought a car, I bought bought a property before, actually 2 times na. Though hindi natuloy, there are certain circumstances, but you know that you're able to if you want to. Kasi here in real estate talaga, the more effort you put in, the more reward you will reap. And then, working in real estate also helped me develop my personality. Actually, before, sabi nga nung pinakauna kong boss, pag nakikita ko, sabi sa akin yan, si Glenn, hindi ka niya kakausapin. Tatanguhan ka lang niya. Diba? Kasi, personally, I'm an introvert. No? So, wala akong kinakausap kahit sino. Titignan lang kita. No? Working in real estate helped me develop my personality. So, I can easily approach people now. Mga kamag-anak ko na hindi ko kinakausap before, nakakausap ko na ngayon. Diba? Kahit ayoko silang kausap. Actually, kahit sinong tao. No? Working in the real estate industry will help you develop your personality. Hindi lang sa pagbebenta, but as a whole person.
That will be the promotions I've had from being a seller to becoming a sales manager to becoming a sales director to being the operations manager of a company. I think that would be the best part of my real estate journey. For the achievements, my achievements are based on the achievements of the people who works around me.
Again, this is Mark Avellino.
Kent Malinaw.
Turan Christian Manara.
Ryan Garcia,
Brian Barria.
Jason Coniconte.
Charlon Dakigan.
This is Agnes Tamesa.
JP Maglakas.
Again, this is Glenn Avellino. And
We are from
Wellness
Wellness Realty
Realty Corporation.